Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to talk about 5 modern things that are not translated in Setswana. The first thing is cell phone. As things were being invented, the Tswana language was already formed and progressed. So when you want to mention a cell phone in your Setswana conversation, you can just say mogala wa letheka, which is like a sentence, I know. Please, if you want to understand direct translation of what I'm saying about cell phone and other things that I'm going to say, just write a comment below and I'll get right back to you. The second thing is television or TV. TV also does not have a translation in Setswana, but if you want to say TV, you can just say Setshwantsho sa motsikinyego. Just like cell phone, let me know in the comment section if you want to know the direct translation of television. The third thing is computer. Computer also doesn't have the translation in Setswana. But if you want to be complicated, you can just say sebala magolo. The fourth thing is fridge or refrigerator or freezer. Whatever name it is, whatever name you choose, it does not have a Setswana translation. So in your Setswana conversation, you can just say fridge, then we'll get what you're trying to say. The fifth thing is microwave. As you already know, the utensils that came later on in life, they do not have a translation in Setswana. So some of these things we even have like words you can say to mention them in your Setswana conversation, take a whole lot of time. And these are not just the 5 things that are not translated in Setswana. There are so many things that were not translated. Let me know if you want to know more about the things that are not translated in Setswana. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, welcome. Usually I'm behind cartoons, but today I chose to come face to face. Thank you for watching. Bye.